Long and rectangular in plan, the two-story house in Salt Lake City has stretches deep into a relatively slender lot. Exterior walls are wrapped in rough-sawn, western red cedar that has been attached with a rain screen system. The same siding clads the garage door on the south elevation. When closed, the door seems to vanish and merge with the surrounding walls. Minimal openings keep the interiors private. The entrance features a solid black door and no windows. Inside, a 110-foot-long, 34-meter corridor runs along the north side. The home office is furnished with a long wall-to-wall wood desk that has floor-to-ceiling glazing opens onto central courtyard, while behind the desk is a wall of bookshelves and cabinetry. At the heart of the main floor is a landscaped courtyard, which is encircled by glazed walls that usher in natural light. In contrast to the closed-off exterior, the interior appears to be fluid and open. An open area for cooking, dining, and lounging with wall of glazing brings light into it. The ground level holds the public areas and a master suite. There are staircase illuminated by a skylight. The upper floor encompasses 2 bedrooms and a lounge. A small basement contains a wine cellar, food storage, and a utility room. The design approach that located the glazing in specific zones of the house to provide ample daylight and privacy. Throughout the home using a trio of contrasting materials: white oak, blackened steel, and polished concrete. Here's a look at the plan.